I'm Sherri with HomeShow Garden Pros, and I am here with the founder of our amazing MitoGrow. We want to talk about some of the plants that the nurseries, all the HomeShow Garden Pro locations and nurseries in general, you know, we get plants from all over the U.S.
Right.
Some out of Florida, some out of Texas, some out of California. That could be a long journey in a kind of hostile environment.
Very
a
much
truck
so.
that's getting hot, getting cold. So how does MitoGrow fit into this story here?
That's a good question, and that's a serious topic for us. So again, plants are stressed. Plants are generally grown in a really nice greenhouse environment, protected, watered every day, cared for, looked over. They get on a truck, it's dark, and they go through this journey to a retail garden center. And they often get to that garden center, they're not as protected.
Right.
They might forget to water them, who knows?
Well, yeah, on a truck for 12 to 24 hours.
Yes, so guess what happens? They're stressed. And people buy these plants, and sometimes they bring them home and they fail. And it's not really their fault. It could often be, hey, the plant was just under a lot of stress, and it wasn't really something that you did.
Right.
MitoGrow, what we promote is anytime you're installing, anytime you bring home a plant from a garden center, give it some MitoGrow. That will get it going again, combat the stresses, and get it on a level playing field again, per se.
Right, the indole 3-butyric acid is kind of the magic root stimulator, and then you have all the biology in there.
The biology is able to attach to those roots.
Right.
We actually have some sugar in here that feed the microbes.
Okay.
So that gets it going again at a cellular level, and then of course you can use your fertilizers and your water, and everything will be uptaken much better.
Yeah.
Much more.
So it's great. It's an insurance policy. It's going to ensure your success. That's his whole goal. That's my whole goal. Because if we build success for successful gardeners, you'll keep gardening.
That's right.
So join us 6:10 a.m. Saturday mornings from 7 to 9.